Thank you for choosing EvenMix. This video is intended to explain how to install the EvenMix drum bung mixer into your closed head steel or plastic drum. First, put your mixing shaft through the drum bung, including the stainless steel reducer. Second, place the mixing shaft into the drive's output and fasten the through bolt. Third, fasten the drum bung fitting onto the drive. Fourth, place the assembled mixer into the drum and make sure that it fits securely inside the hole. Note that the fitting is designed to hook inside the drum bung. Now, these mixers work great for both plastic and steel drum containers. Fifth, you can use the adjustable bolt to fasten to the container. Between the handle and the hook, it will create a secure hold on the steel or plastic drum. Sixth and finally, to remove, release the handle and pull it out of the drum. Thank you for watching this instructional video on how to install your EvenMix drum bung mixer. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask us at EvenMix. I'm Phil Rankin, the founder of EvenMix. Thank you for your time.